Every beaded design begins with the quiet foundation that holds it all together, the thread. Today, we're exploring 4 essentials: nylon, Nymo, FireLine, and silk. Understanding their differences will help you choose the perfect thread for every project. Nylon is strong and forgiving. Its gentle stretch makes it ideal for beginners learning bead weaving. Next is Nymo, a flat nylon that lies beautifully within beadwork. Its soft drape is perfect for projects needing fluid movement, like fringe or delicate earrings. Then there's FireLine, the powerhouse. This fused microbraid is incredibly strong with almost no stretch, providing the structure and durability needed for intricate, crisp designs. Finally, silk is the traditional choice for pearls and gemstones. Its natural softness allows for graceful knotting, creating necklaces that feel fluid and timeless. Whether it's the flexibility of nylon or the strength of FireLine, the right thread shapes your entire work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more beadwork tips and check out our beginner masterclass playlist.